It's the final push to buy last-minute Christmas gift for some stores, they rely on the holidays as a major part of revenue towards the end of the year. WHO 13's Skylar Stamps joins us live this morning in Ankeny with more on how a local business is getting by there. The last couple of weeks the last week rather, has been clear for shopping, but the month of December was off to a snowy start, that's for sure.
Yeah, Zach, you're completely right. And here at Real Deals in Ankeny, a store that's been open for 7 years and owned by Iowa native Lindsay Foss, it's been a little rough over the past month, of course, with those 3 straight snowstorms. And small businesses like Real Deals rely on this holiday shopping. But as you mentioned, over the past month, it's been heavily impacted by the weather. Now, everyone remembers those 3 straight weekends, as I mentioned, with snow. Starting on November 29th, 11 inches of snow here in Ankeny, then December 6th with 4 inches. Then after that, 4 inches that following Saturday. The 29th was also supposed to be Small Business Saturday. That was before being postponed a week due to the snowstorm. But as I mentioned, even that next weekend, crowds were cut way short due to that continued snow. That day, many small businesses prepared for the worst, and Real Deals did too, but Foss made the trek to work and came up with some creative ways to keep the business flowing.
It was just my husband and I. We called off our team. We didn't think it would be too crazy, and we were here early shoveling out the driveways, and so we decided that we were going to do whatever we could, though, to recoup sales. And so we did some online live selling kinds of things. We were here in store. We were accommodating phone orders, and I'm very fortunate to say we still had a very strong Small Business Saturday.
Now, not all small businesses had the same success that Real Deals here in Ankeny had, but like Foss mentioned, it wasn't without the hard work and dedication by her and her husband coming in early, shoveling all the snow, and kind of meeting the customers in the middle with that online live sales and such going on. But that's what every small business has to do. Acclimate to what's been thrown at them, and that's exactly what Real Deals has done. Now, they are closed today and tomorrow on Christmas Day, but they'll be back open for business on Friday. Zach.
Skylar Stamps reporting there. Just a good reminder, Skylar, of how important it is to shop local and what it means to these local business owners as well. It can really impact their bottom line at the end of the year. Thanks for being live for us this morning.